wala pa rin nangyayari. Ano? Even yung sa Yolanda, hanggang ngayon, during the time of President Aquino, he approved a total budget of 167 plus billion pesos. Ilan pa lang yung naitutulong doon. And then, nagkaroon ng Marawi, nagkaroon ng earthquake, ang dami pa mga calamities after. And now, Taal. No, pursigido lang, pagbago pa lang yung calamity. Pag medyo lumipas na isang taon, nakakalimutan na, hindi na nababalikan. That's the experience that we see, you know, each time na magkaroon ng calamity. Maraming gustong tumulong right after the disaster struck, ano. Pero after a while, nakakalimutan.
So, paano?
Dapat talaga mayroong dedicated na office. Hindi po pwede talaga yung it is being run by a council composed of department heads who have their own issues and concerns doon sa kanilang mga departments.
Sure.
At ang position ko lang, let's not bloat further the bureaucracy kasi sobrang bloated na tayo.